In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set student name, class, and section in Google Forms. This short tutorial is aimed at helping you create an organized form quickly and efficiently in just 5 minutes. Let's get started. First, you need to navigate to Google Drive. You can easily do this by opening your preferred web browser and typing in the URL for Google Drive. Once there, you'll want to look for the New button. It's usually located on the upper left side of your screen. Click on this to reveal a drop-down menu with various options. Now, from the drop-down menu, you'll select Google Forms. This tool is highly versatile and allows you to create various types of forms to suit your needs, whether for educational purposes or other applications. After clicking on Google Forms, you'll be prompted to either choose a template or create a new blank form. For this particular guide, we're going to start with a blank form to ensure everything is customized to your specifications. Once your blank form opens up, start by giving it a meaningful title. Click on the top of the form where it says Untitled Form and type in a name that reflects its purpose, perhaps something like Student Information Collection. By doing this, you'll keep your Google Drive organized and help users immediately understand the form's goal. With the form named, let's start by adding the first section for collecting student names. Click on the Untitled Question field, type student name, and ensure the question type is set to short answer, as this is the most efficient for text-based responses. It's crucial to make this section required. Doing so means every student must provide their name to continue, which ensures you gather all necessary information. Next, add a question for class. Click on the plus icon to add a new question, type class as your field name, and again, set the question type to short answer. Don't forget to click on the required toggle for this question too. Now follow the same steps to collect information on the section. Use the plus icon to add a new question, type section, set it to short answer, and make sure to toggle it as required. Once you've added all your fields, it's time to take a moment and preview your form. Click the eye icon on the top right corner of the page to do this. Previewing is a great way to see how the form will appear to users and ensure everything is working correctly. Make any final adjustments you feel are necessary after the preview, and that's all there is to it. You've just created a streamlined Google form for collecting student names, classes, and sections. By following these straightforward steps, you now have a practical tool for organizing student information effortlessly. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful.